Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this very fall cranberry look for you guys. I'm actually really obsessed with how it came out. I'm very happy with the results. If you guys are new to my channel, hey, I'm Rocky. Well, my name is Raquel, but a lot of people call me Rocky. And this is a channel for, honestly, a lot of different things. Like lifestyle, beauty, fashion. I'm also a mom, so I have mom videos coming out soon too. If you guys haven't hit that subscribe button yet, go ahead and do that right now and click that bell so you guys are notified every single time I upload. You guys will not want to miss any of my uploads. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this look. If you guys want to know how I got it, just keep on watching.
Okay, so you guys already know I'm going to start off with my Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Base to clean up my brows and to prime my lids as well. This is honestly the only thing I ever use now. It's the best eye primer. I don't use any other type of eye primer. Okay, so for my transition shade, I'm going to be going into the Pure Cosmetics x Raw Beauty Kristi collaboration, and I'm going to be using the shade Mood Point, which is a very neutral pink shade. I'm going to be using this as my transition shade. Then I'm going to go and dip into the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to first be going in with Love Letter. And then I'm going to be deepening up the crease with Venetian Red, which is another shade in the Modern Renaissance palette. So I'm going to go in with the Colourpop x Kathleen Lights collaboration, and I'm going to be using the loose pigment in the scales. As you can see, I'm just using this and I'm putting this right in the middle of my lid. I'm going to be going back into the Modern Renaissance palette, and with the Venetian Red, I'm going to blend that out just so it blends into the pigment so it doesn't look very harsh. Okay, so then I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Holy Hydration Face Cream just to kind of moisturize my skin, give it a little hydration because I have been a little bit on the drier side. The next thing, I'm going to use two different primers today. So the first one is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and I'm just going to place this pretty much in my T-zone just to fill in my pores. And then I'm also going to go in with the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer. This is honestly my favorite primer. Okay, so for foundation, today I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Dewy Foundation. I'm in the shade Golden Beige. This is honestly one of my favorite drugstore foundations. It leaves my face pretty dewy and very healthy looking. So it's definitely become a staple in my collection. For concealer, I'm going to be going in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camel Concealer, and this is in the shade Medium Peach. Now this is such a great concealer to combine with the Wet n Wild Dewy Foundation. Just the perfect dewy look, dewy finish, but it doesn't look too oily. So to set my under eye, I'm going to be going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Powder. This is quickly becoming one of my favorite powders right now. For bronzer today, I'm using the Maybelline City Bronzer in the shade 300 Warm. This is honestly such a great bronzer, great drugstore bronzer. It's easy to blend out, as you can see, and it's honestly the perfect shade for me. For blush, I'm going to be going in with the e.l.f. I can't remember what these are called. They're like the bite-size blush and highlight duo, and this was in the shade Spiced Apple. For this, I'm just going to be using the blush. It's such a gorgeous blush. For highlight, I'm going to be going in with the Wet n Wild Loose Highlighter Powder in the shade Hustle and Glow. So for my under eyes, I'm going to be doing pretty much the same exact thing I did on my lid. I'm going to be going in with the Modern Renaissance palette And I'm going to be using Love Letter and Venetian Red and kind of smoke out the under eye. For the waterline, I'm going in with the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in Good Reef. These are honestly the best eyeliners ever. For lips, I'm going to be going in with my Jura Cosmetics lip pencil in Melrose Place. For my lipstick, I'm going to be using Artist Couture Silk Cream in Boy Toy. I'm not a huge lipstick person. I'm more of a liquid lipstick, but these Silk Cream formula is really, really great. It's really, really pretty. And to finish off the makeup, I'm going to be setting my face with the Milani Make It Last Matte Finishing Spray. This has honestly been one of my favorite setting sprays. And it just sets my makeup in for the whole day.
Alright, you guys, so that is the end of this look. Honestly, I'm so obsessed. Like, I just feel like my skin looks so freaking good. So, not matte, but not like oily. It looks very hydrating, very dewy. And honestly, this look I'm obsessed with. Like, that pop of color in the waterline, honestly, I think really just makes the whole entire look pop. Sorry, I got a little tongue-tied there. I'm also really obsessed with this lip, you guys. Oh my gosh. These Artist Couture lipsticks, I'm going to have to get more because I'm obsessed with this one. This one is in Boy Toy. I did mention that in the video. Anyways, if you guys loved this video and you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you have that bell notification on so you guys are notified every time I upload. And if you guys have any other kind of other suggestions for videos, let me know in the comment section down below. Honestly, I'm into doing any kind of video lately. Like, I have like many different type of videos coming out onto my channel coming soon. So you guys are going to want to be notified and stay tuned for those videos. I'll see you guys later. Bye!